Well, hello everyone and welcome to this full HubSpot tutorial for beginners. We're on HubSpot.com and HubSpot is an all-in-one platform for inbound marketing, sales, and customer service. It helps businesses to attract and engage customers. So with HubSpot, you have different products, and when you go over to product and hover over it, you can see the Marketing Hub, Operations Hub, Sales Hub, Commerce Hub, Service Hub, Content Hub, and Small Business Bundle. All of these are HubSpot's marketing, sales, and customer service software, all in this platform. So of course, in order to get started, we're going to go to Get Started for free right here. And if you have a Google account, a Microsoft account, or an Apple account, you can easily get your account for free here on HubSpot. We're going to click on Continue with Google. This will bring a pop-up where we're going to select our email address. So if you're doing this for the first time, it says, have you used software to manage or engage customers before? And if you're a beginner, maybe with HubSpot or just in general, you can say, yes, you're a beginner. So this is a second question out of a few. It says, do you know which problems you want to solve? You could say yes, and then you get to select the industry you're in. So we're going to go ahead and choose on marketing and advertising. Then you're going to select your role. You could say manager, and then you're going to put in your company name. So we just came up with a random company name, Green Edge Solutions, and we're just going to click on next for this. And then you're going to put how many people work in your company. So these are just the initial setups you need in order to have your HubSpot setup. We're going to choose 26 to 50, and then you're going to put in your company website. After that, you're going to click on Create Account to complete the process. So we have a 1 step out of 4. We're going to breeze through this. We have what would you like to focus on first. We're going to choose on generating leads. Click on Continue. And so here we're going to choose the most relevant apps to generate leads. We're going to choose Gmail. We're going to choose Google Meet. Here we can click on next, or you can skip and explore apps later. So we're going to click on next. And then here it says add 1 or 2 contacts to see your CRM in action. Now we're on this path because of what we selected, and depending on what your business is, you will need to follow the path that HubSpot has predetermined depending on what you choose. So you just need to go along with the flow. And here we have the first name, last name, email, job title, and lead status. Remember, we wanted to generate leads. So we're going to put in some information right here. Or if you don't have, you could say skip and use sample contact. So we're going to do just that. And then here you get to add teammates to set up HubSpot together. As you can see, the schematic, you and others, of course, is important to have this. And then you could put this in or skip and do this later. Great. So now we have our welcome message. We're going to click on Get Started, close this up. And right here, we have our main dashboard for our HubSpot. So welcome. So we're going to be going through all of these to help you understand what you might be seeing on your own dashboard. So right here we have the bookmark, and in order to add an item to the bookmark, we just need to go over to any of these options. And then when we hover over them, you can see under marketing we have campaigns, and here we can click on bookmarks. So when we click on it, it's going to be added to bookmarks. So when we hover over bookmarks, you can see campaigns. Now, it is important to note for beginners that with your HubSpot, remember we're using the free version, you will see this icon right here, and this icon means you need to upgrade. So under workspaces, you have sales and help desk. It says this feature is included in Service Hub Professional. And here we have CRM. Here you could get your contacts. You could get your contacts for companies, deals, tickets, lists, inbox, calls, and tasks. All these functionalities are important for you if you'd like to grow or generate leads. So when we come over here, we're going to be under marketing. Under marketing, you have campaigns, as we saw earlier. And then we also have email, and then you have social, ads, event forms, and buyer intent. Of course, if you're trying to get used to these icons and it's a problem for you, you can come over here and click on the expanded navigation. You're going to see all these options. However, as we hover over them, you're not going to see more options because it's currently in the expanded view. So for example, if we click on CRM, we're currently under contact. And as you saw, when we're trying to generate leads, we'll need to add contacts. So we're just going to give an example to add a contact, and you can see right here, create contact. You also have the option to import contacts. And here you have actions where you can edit properties or restore records. Now here we're currently under the all contacts tab. And here we could move over to newsletter subscribers, unsubscribed, and all customers. Now we can click on create contact. And here you have two options. If you click on help me get started, you're going to see the roadmap to creating your first contact. It says create your first contact record in just a few steps. So we're going to click on create contact. And then next it says set your contact properties. Click on it. And as you can see here, you get to choose what contact information is more important to your business. We have phone number, contact owner, and the lot of them. You can click on the drop down and check more boxes that are necessary to you. So you can click on go to contact record. And as you can see, we have our first contact created. You also have a record summary, dates highlights. These are basically details for your contact. And as you can see, we've just created a contact. We can go back to go to contact again to see an overview of all the contacts we have available. Now, because we want to generate a lead, we're going to come over to marketing, go to email. And if you're trying to contact a customer, trying to generate a lead, here you can use templates for a simple email, or you could use a newsletter or a promotion. Or if you'd like to do it yourself, you can click on start from scratch. If you'd like to view all other templates, you can click on it here, view all templates, and it will take you to where you can find more templates and more categories. So if you're trying to generate a lead or you're trying to make a cold call, you can see a greeting here and we can click on it and you can see some templates right here. Do take note that some of them are for the higher plans. As you can see the padlock icon right here. So you're going to take note of that. And when we go back to all templates, so we can go ahead and choose e-commerce welcome. You can click on preview or choose a template. We're going to click on choose a template, but you can click on preview to have a better view before selecting it. So you can see the template right here, but it also helps you to design it or personalize it according to your taste. So when everything is done according to your taste, you've added your text, your button, the different images, just to make it yours, you can click on review and send. We're going to click on review and send as if we're done with everything. Now, of course, it says required fields and warnings, recipients are required, subject line is required. These are the different information you need to put in your template. So when all of that is done, you can go ahead and click on review and send. We're going to save this for now. Then we're going to click on exit. Now, because we're trying to make our first email, you can see new email here. It hasn't been sent, but say you've sent one already, you can see all emails, drafts, scheduled, sent, and archived. And all these different tabs are basically going to help you to track your different emails. So if you have any scheduled for the future, you're going to find them right here. Now, when we go back to CRM, you can see deals and tickets. I'm going to click on deals. And here you get to track the different deals and the different stages of your deals with different clients, companies, or groups. So here you have all deals and you have my deals, and you can simply go ahead at the top right area to click on create a deal. And one more thing we'd like to show you is the marketplace. Now with the marketplace, we could have other apps to be added to help with integration. You can see connected apps, marketplace, downloads. We can click here on apps to find more. And here you have it. Here you can search for different apps that can help you in your HubSpot to integrate them and to optimize your workflow. So if you want to connect your Gmail, your Microsoft Teams, your Slack, these options are available for you to use on HubSpot. And lastly, I would like to mention that at the top right corner, when you click on your HubSpot profile, you can see some more information here, such as your account setup status. It's currently at 36 for this account, and you have invite your team. And if you want to invite your team members, you can simply come over here and click on invite your team. You get to see account billing, products, pricing, and features if you'd like to pay for a higher tier. So here on HubSpot, we've been able to show you some details about the features with the contacts and CRM, which is basically the heart of HubSpot. And also we've shown you some marketing tools such as creating templates for emails and generating leads. At the end, we hope you're able to make the best of your HubSpot, So you can go ahead and try it for yourself and optimize your workflow.